What if I told you that you can cut your weekly cleaning time by 75% while achieving better results using 5 counterintuitive hacks that professionals know but most people have never heard of? What if the reason cleaning takes you so long isn't because your home is messy, but because you're using inefficient methods that waste massive amounts of time? I discovered these 5 genius hacks, implemented them for 1 month, and my cleaning time went from 6 hours weekly to 90 minutes with superior results. Stay with me, because this will give you back your weekends. The weekend I lost every week. Saturday morning. I'd wake up knowing I had a full day of cleaning ahead of me. 6 hours minimum to clean my entire home properly. Bathroom scrubbing, kitchen degreasing, dusting every surface, vacuuming and mopping. By the time I finished, it was evening. I was exhausted. My weekend was essentially gone. And by Wednesday, my home would already look like it needed cleaning again. I felt trapped in this endless cycle of spending my precious free time cleaning, never getting ahead, always maintaining, but never truly enjoying my space. Hack 1. Clean in zones, not rooms. Stop cleaning one entire room before moving to the next. Instead, clean all of one task type throughout the entire house, then move to the next task type. For example, do all dusting in every room first, then all surface wiping, then all vacuuming, then all mopping. Why? Because you maintain momentum, you're not switching tools constantly, and your brain stays in one mode instead of task switching, which wastes mental energy. This hack alone saved me 45 minutes weekly. Hack 2. The two-hand speed cleaning. Use both hands simultaneously. Right hand wipes the counter, left hand holds the spray bottle and sprays the next section. Right hand dusts a shelf, left hand holds the duster and tackles adjacent areas. Most people use one hand while the other does nothing. Professional cleaners use both hands constantly, essentially cleaning twice as fast. This feels awkward for the first few days, then becomes natural. Time saved, 30 minutes weekly. Hack 3. Gravity-powered debris removal. For things like crumbs, pet hair, and small debris, don't pick them up individually or vacuum immediately. Use a dry microfiber cloth to sweep everything toward the room's center or edges. Gravity and the cloth do the work. Once per week, vacuum these collection points. Versus vacuuming or picking up debris daily in every room, this method saves enormous time. Time saved, 40 minutes weekly. Hack 4. The layered product method. Instead of spray wipe on each surface, spray all surfaces that need it in a room, move to another room and spray there while the first room's solution sits and breaks down grime. Return to first room and wipe everything quickly because the solution did the hard work. You're never standing around waiting. You're always productive. Time saved, 35 minutes weekly. Hack 5. Maintenance moments. Instead of letting messes accumulate all week, then deep cleaning on Saturday, do maintenance moments daily. After cooking, wipe the stove while it's still warm, 30 seconds. After showering, squeegee the glass, 20 seconds. Before bed, quick sweep of kitchen floor, 2 minutes. Say these tiny daily actions prevent 80% of buildup that makes Saturday cleaning so time-consuming. Time saved. Converting 4 hours of Saturday deep cleaning into 15 minutes of daily maintenance. The quality paradox. Why nobody teaches this. Cleaning product companies benefit from you spending more time cleaning because you use more products. Cleaning services benefit from cleaning looking difficult and time-consuming because it justifies their fees. There's no profit incentive in teaching people to clean efficiently. These hacks spread person to person among professionals, and people who've figured out there has to be a better way. You've just learned 5 genius cleaning hacks that save hours. Zone cleaning, two-hand method, gravity-powered debris removal, layered products, and daily maintenance moments. If this just gave you back your weekends, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more efficiency hacks. Share with anyone spending too much time cleaning. Comment how many hours you currently spend weekly on cleaning. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, work smarter, reclaim your time, and enjoy life instead of endless cleaning.